Hey folks, Jason over here at Hayward Allen Toyota with some tips and tricks. Not so much tricks, because if you trick with this one, you could wind up at a body shop. So, brakes. Why are they so important? Once again, we don't want to wind up at a body shop. We need brakes. Brakes are an essential part of the vehicle, and we start recommending those brake pads when you hit 4 millimeters worth of brake pad. So roughly around this area is where we're going to start recommending those brake pads. You don't need them, but we are going to start recommending them for you, because we definitely don't want you getting to this. Once you start getting to this, the chatter, the noise, squealing like a pig, grinding, that's where all that becomes apparent. We don't want that to happen. So before that happens, get your brake pads and rotors taken care of through Hayward Allen Toyota. $289.95 includes the genuine brake pads as well as the resurfacing of the rotors by a certified Toyota technician. 706-369-5020. My extension's 153, but please dial 802 for the scheduling department, and we'll see you for your next set of brake pads.